Hello everyone, good morning. So this time we're going for mountain hiking. In the morning I have my friends with me. Say hello. You.
Hello,
So what time it is?
It's 6:30 right now, and we're waiting for the bus.
Yeah. So see you guys on mountain. Keep in touch. You guys know we are here at the bus stop. I just get my tickets and now we are waiting for our bus to go for a mountain. You can see all around me. It's a lot of people in a daytime, but this time we are early in the morning at 7, so that's why you cannot find many people around. See you.
And remember to bring your passport because I forget my
She
passport.
didn't bring her passport and she has to face some trouble there. So if you are coming, don't forget to bring your passport. We already buy our ticket. No, we are waiting for our bus and I'm having my breakfast. I have boiled eggs. This is our bus stop. Waiting area. All across you see. So guys, know this, we are already on a bus. Here we are. And here we are neighbors. Hi. So we are ready to go. Tai Bai Shan. Wow. See you there. So guys, we just arrived on the Tai Bai Shan. You can see the bus. Show the camera in the bus. Yes. And this is the place where we arrived. You can see all around. It's sunny today. Weather is so good. Hope we have a good fun. So guys, we just at the entrance point and you can see the guide map of Tai Bai Mountain tourist attraction where you can see all the services and all the guideline plans. If you see, at the moment we are here and we have to follow this path. It's too long, it's like 40 kilometers. And all the facilities, what they have, the introduction of the mountain, it's completely mentioned here. So if you're coming here first time and you have, this is the entrance point that I show you around. Okay, and this is the gate where we enter. So let's go inside. No, I'm inside. I just entered from that entrance point. So guys, we are here in the mountains. You can see all around me. It's snow. Not much. See that beautiful view of mountains. And here we found the map. Here we have a bus. So let's go. Guys, this place is so beautiful. You can see all around white snow. It looks like we are somewhere in Switzerland. And you see a beautiful waterfall, the painting, and everything is so good, mind refreshing. Yeah, good fun. Okay. And you can also have fun. So guys, this is a very beautiful, you can find a jar of wines all around me, covered with white snow.
You can open and drink it.
Yes, come. And you see people fighting with snow, and they have a lot of fun here. You see, it's also open. It's something inside.
Bái chịu inside.
Whoa. Nothing.
Tông
Okay. It's very good fun. We find cutting mountains on one side, lake, waterfall, wine jars. Interesting, lovely. So guys, this is the food that we have. We are celebrating our like picnic. We made this like sushi type Korean Japanese food, and we enjoying this beautiful view. And this is tea, Chinese tea. Okay, that's cool. With this beautiful, lovely view, we are having our meal. Eat slowly.
Có khăn ướt nha. I will show them.
How is the food?
Just eat, don't talk, because that's amazing.
You should cook and invite.
No, you cook and invite me.
This is our forever memorable picnic. Here we make a little tiny snowman, and we have a fresh water view.
That's the food.
What's the name of that food? She don't know.
Kimbap. Oh.
Okay, let me finish my food. Otherwise, the girls are so hungry they will finish the food. You see the weather. Still, it's quite slippery and cold, but you see many people here to just enjoy a mountain life.
不是，还有，你慢一点啊，不要着急啊。这是真话还是假话？
换点乘车上山，保护生态环境，守护绿色家园，共享森林奇迹，预防森林火灾。从我做起。尊敬的游客朋友们，您现在的位置是中山区，峰前海拔高度1300米。相传唐代大诗人来到此处写真情，过时畅饮，主要景物山水皆是景，诗道多。
So guys, you can see the back side of me, Absha. It's so beautiful, but it's quite slippery, and I have to be very careful. You have to be very careful if you are coming in snow time. If you are, I want to show you the view. You see, this is a beautiful view. It's so good. Mind refreshing. Okay. What is this?
No success.
So guys, you can see it has a very beautiful scenic view. It looks like you are somewhere different place. So guys, now we are at the second spot. You can see a jar of wine. I don't know why they have. It's covered with beautiful white snow. And here you can enjoy the scenic view of this place. So this place is actually so good and good fun. See, you have rock cutting mountains, white snow, and you see here you can have our water. If I show you here, you see that? Yes, over there. All around me it's covered with white snow, white shining crystal clear water, and rock cutting mountains. And a lot of, and you see we make this little tiny snowman. Do you wanna make a snowman? So let's go down and see, explore this our third spot. I'm feeling much cold. My hands are not with me. I need to get energy to work them. At the same time, my feet is also freezing. It seems like I'm walking on snow because it's not good for snow. So I'm like shivering like this. But it's beautiful fun. Actually, I'm very happy. It was our just random plan to come to this place, and we found it covered with white snow. You see many tourists here. Okay, let me show you on that side. This is the opposite side, and the opposite side of me is this. Can you imagine this? They carry a small child. Wow.
哎，凯美，对不起。
小孩子 okay. Here they have a temple. Let me show you inside. So here also they have a temple. Okay. Over the mountain.
I think it's very funny.
So now we are here. Okay. You see all around Chinese flag. Okay, let me show you inside what they have. Okay, this they have sitting area where you can enjoy a view and eat. Let's see what they have here. Oh my. This is luck. And this.
啊，对，对对对对对，
Okay.
这是对的。
So you see that
好，
you can record in different angles.
Can you do that?
So you So guys, that's all for today's video. See you in my next video. We are in bus and going back home. Take care.